Because as it stands now, Ghana Hanum say currently the biggest music export is Stonebwoy, and it's not even arguable.
And Sana Stonebwoy be free ni America tour na ba UK no. Na 70% of ticket sales no na echo.
Exactly a week ago, Anna Stonebwoy go PMO O2 Shepherd Bush Empire ewa London for Independence Day live concert. Our program no nice, but at the end of the day no, Shatawale early the movement just and the fans are don tilo edimutin Timina Darlington Adams as we tam akubomo. Almost 12 Gina Stonebwoy say a program the flop pay beggars artists okoi kwa chair free ticket no udin can't Yeboah so ube che be free still cry went man fele auditorium hono just a whole lot. But Yaa Yeboah Vida Adutwumwaa and then Romeo Ako PM United Showbiz on YouTube never see omo share omo idea and omo opinion on Stonebwoy program like a course so ewa London, but omo change the program there. In fact it was nice. I high Penyah block media message any demo over like video and down my subscribe button and never click the personal latest updates now better the area mama ewa comment message was obasoa no watch video na unia so enya bi ahwe 80 week ago Anna Stonebwoy ekoye Independence Day live concert O2 Shepherd Bush Empire and the capacity near 2,000 people others at 2,000 but I'm over just say when to me I'm fellow hono miwa almost because the program it was sold out. But Don Tilo and the Darlington Adams near some fans, but the program it wasn't sold out. Even when it got to a point says Stonebwoy was giving out free tickets. I still cry when to me I'm a hot mama according to Don Tilo and the Darlington Adams. Now I know now Romeo now momo serious na. Entertainment industry now the money we are serious for na. Normal so watch a free ticket crana normal because it is part of the game.
Stonebwoy, congratulations. Dear. I'm saying na MC Kano. For some years now, Ghanaian artists be a do sing Stonebwoy in terms of selling Ghana to the world. Say Obi Semeboa Omrana argue. He's the reigning artist of the year. Yameya Domso Afu Obasanjo. This is the person we are talking about. It is Oba UK. Men who say or a normal person in Oba or a Ghanaian artist of the year and Oba UK. Nti omo award omo company nyina no omo nyina hye under the year of review no omo nyina hye nti this is the biggest artist from Ghana and Oba UK. Nti if for nothing at all Ghana for na wo UK no omo ko social media omo hu the reigning artist in Ghana nti say ye the reigning artist ba na the ono no reigning years ago na omo mienu no we omo a why na office say obenya wait we common sense. So what I say? It is a hand one sense na nya adwuma ube wie na say woni ma atwasi. I say oni obi an ho odin beko wonim say obetimi abo but ube so force one ube wie na honam nyina ye oya ebi na si no show ben ye bo wi ase a ye nche ticket obi ye che I mean ye che ticket what I say ye che it is a Stonebwoy che ticket a enye news almost so no definitely almost so chenkrofo ticket na no boni be no na minimum be kwa wabo free show kwa nipa amba nipa no wabo free show on jiska nipa amko sa nipa no so on kan sen na free ticket no obetimi dia ma obi opa omma eno so so obetimi ticket na ma obi so empress and you dey body abra o see you still omma e ho be empty na se nyame adom ono kpo de ode ama free ama nipa na san ba be fele ho a na che say akwano ni modu
people say what tiso
no but okay free ticket gina wo
also what tiso
what I say na ebiem no the person mo te ase ne say we esi de bia enye Ghana fo nkwa na yehu na de we amama de bre shows akese kokoko so ni nyina si around the same time I mean udi hu dia obi ambo ne de
me ho because Ghana hankasa yetumi ebo show
kwabena 14th obona akwabo aso obi ansu nya nipa
we ni a che free ticket so it happens
ye che free ticket kwala yi
na me make say
nipa na kwa bi o amoma so still watch it
of course
what I say enti we dey I think say antwa yi you see the problem ni nyina ne say adenti na Stonebwoy Yeboah show around the same time Yeboah show.
And venue.
And
Same
The
time and
venue is
venue.
in the same.
No, a venue no crowd. Yes, distance home. And I might have Yeboah.
Distance.
Distance, so about 30 minutes drive or so.
No, it's the same. You.
It's not the same place.
O2 now.
It's not the same place.
Okay.
According to
Yeah.
head of communication, or difference home.
Head.
Yeah. Enti we can born anything. Now Ghana for go UK no. Now bet makai. Now mo go even cry no. Ghana for was South London kwa no. Ka say omu nyina ka so mo ba. Na ni pa go land dey say be. Enti we ni talk e wo be say. E be sere.
What messages?
Ehu hia. Nti de aka nyina ne say me de kakra metimi aka ne say oye businessman you don't fight another artist because unim da be here no ebi ni say voice be leaky ya yebusa Stonebwoy say are you available around this time why voice no you say allow their voice but allow their so na ka say Stonebwoy any fan base e wo UK no be only fan base wo UK there oye den bisa ne say you available in October
This October.
Daddy what I say voice na me ntie no ntie ye besre me yenya sa
One leaky voice.
boy a voice note nearby say near asemba itwa bi ne dia what I say nti ye besre me yenya sa ye nyina Ghana fo ina sma
distance between the two is 48 minutes drive.
ti mukura wa ati so free akon kura
48 minutes drive there na say who go win.
Kaswa
Win by the name who pay speed. Who pay speed? Kaswa you okay. Yeah.
Anti muwa what I say nti ye besre ma munya sa afi Ghana Music Awards UK mama modern na mbede no nipa be papa
Ana ba da duch makura chirem say there be mama ka say Stonebwoy or che free ticket enya no kura bi say even kura say ye be movie free Ghana kura ko hono no ebe ka be some days be am program na through no na about 70% of the tickets were already sold out.
And Sana Stonebwoy ebe free ni America tour na ba UK no. Na 70% of ticket sales no na eko. Na manfato nti de na aka ye 30% na ye twe ho diary no. Na shows no show no starting in sales ticket sales starting no. Na £25 for early bird. Eko na nim no na eko 32 and eko 34. Finally ne bedrew £36. The etienne ne say Stone and then who say obefri ni pema ko gina ho akache Shepherd Bush for ne Live Nation for say me Stonebwoy nti ma tete me ticket so eyen hihye ya eda ho a o makọ several meetings and sana increment in ticket ne be bakrabo no inhyemu ba eme ka say ne ekọ early bird etwam say you do 32 year cut £36 say wo pebia and there were people having £50 and not my already so me purchase na sabre no ticket no asa enye no credit say Stonebwoy free ni pe no ko ni sa to me no because show no Live Nation for and a handle organization e bibia and a hon to say bia ukrum bia back of ukrum hene so nko kan bi ma ne entete so e hon to sa bibia ye nhihye ya e da krata so and a digital nso so ofa phone papa no wato enye no credit say yetete so ana ye bie free gate ana say ye ho ambo ye ho so na ye hu bebia ye fa it was never like that. It was never like that. Baby sensi time Bulldog announced a show near sold out sanko for engine D. It was sold out way early and sana show no eba so. Bana floor no last one be was raw Shepherd's Bush omudi ho adwuma bi nti no mo ntai MBA ho no mama font na ho. So the team no mo pushy. In fact chief called meet several meetings say the nipa a dom na ba no de kayemie sa sro kakra bi na aka no efa nka ho se na be ya omom wabontini nyina be have a feel of performances no ekofo bebrebusa se anye bia entokwa wo Stone ene Alodia ne Dennis ne apapa montemana media meka se entokwa eni ho
70% were ton ama yasa 70% asa. It is possible say the program was sold out. He never gave any free ticket. A time for munya me mama ni bre amoka ka bara du tuma say munya abotre Stonebwoy and free ticket e wo ba bia na emu na MC na ya abrefo na ya abrefo kire mu se ope artist Ghana ha se ye pe artist a ye pe se yedi ni ko baabi artist a woye export product export asset wo Ghana ha no in fact Stonebwoy.
And I watched the videos and I saw auditorium no singing word to word every song that Stone played. Ninyumba could be pull up or boy yeah. Or yes, silent. If you heard the crowd, I was in the group. So it tells you say obi etnase dedicating ho and empress kasa wa try be the onim said yet onye focused onye dedicated na onye wa adwin se bibi esi wani so opesa wa achieve a stop it ubejai untumi nye. And one thing that me pesa amanfo ni hunu ni say Stonebwoy show you okoye no ono ankasa ni sika no or the sponsor show no or ye paid for by himself. Enti eya na ye me ya bebre say we see such an artist putting in all the work and sometimes no ye ni sheka ye nkan ya nuntum, but we try to discredit the hard work, which is not nice because as it stands now Ghana hanum say currently the biggest music export is Stonebwoy and it's not even arguable. In my opinion, the biggest music export now in Ghana is Stonebwoy. Enti ye be stress
for now.
Yeah, see ye be stress say di enum to ne china say pesa wo be support Stonebwoy a wo de fansa she wo dem ni fam ne ka wa ne tum. Men discredit ejuma abrantie ne ye no. One of the things that happened between the Akwaba UK thing and Stonebwoy showing was quality. Production wise, quality production wise, we had 3 big promoters, quote unquote, which me bomb abaso because over the years, you know, Oma hodi the Ghana entertainment UK down and Jumaketwa. We had them organize this Akwaba UK party and everything, and we had Stonebwoy show as well. The comments and feedback that came from Nkrofa Wamuko show no tells you say the quality of production was not the best or what they wanted. And they, with such the caliber of artists, that's what DJ track 2 pull up. No. Into your best say, a ya nasa and seminar ye can edibu artists abemuno MYN. Because at the end of the day, no, ye Penyah never him Ghana Franca in terms of a new trauma. And you see, and nipampo nebeka is a jumano is visible and you can see it. What you see?
I mean, Chawano, me mom dear, I don't discredit rivalry because I want you to a Jumani.
Right.
In a way, it has positive,
negative.
You're focusing more on pray me, I won't stop you because music rivalry so.
Now, when MC Yaa Yeboah small kind there. Shatter fans ebube fupa as we are what can there ebema ese movement obu fans ebe just stay baby asimo mudwa omu person betti the crowd because they think Shatter Wale deserve this kind of appellations, but all kind of Stonebwoy and say oh yeah call for war any endless beef ubet machire wajene amame ewo commercial. These are the submission of MC Yaa Yeboah and Romeo Vida Adutwumwaa on United Showbiz concerning Stonebwoy program a course so O2 Shepherd Bush Empire London. She wa jone e wa comment section ho no ha Penyah Block Media Accra.